How to kill a bird. This is how the kids kill the birds. They throw the flip-flops in the air, and then when they hit the bird, they do like this. Because a bird is food, right? To survive. Wow, that is not easy.